and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can pay with cash on Uber. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. But first of all, do give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. So moving on, simply tap open your Uber Eats app, and once you open it, you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply order anything you want to order, or you can even tap on the cart-like icon on the top right hand side of the corner. Once you do this, tap on view basket, and after doing this, you will end up in this kind of interface. So if you want to add anything else, you can simply add it, or even you can add notes and request utensils as well. So after doing everything, you need to tap on the go to checkout section. Now you can even schedule your order, or if you don't want to, then simply hit the cancel option. Now you will be redirected to the payment options. Simply tap on the Uber Cash section. Now once you have tapped on the Uber Cash section, you will be allowed to pay with cash when the delivery arrives on spot. So this is how you can simply pay with cash on Uber. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.